There was once a small bird who lived in a warm green forest. He had everything he needed: a strong nest high in a tall tree, a river full of clean water nearby, food every morning without fail, a good friend who flew beside him every day. Life was warm, life was full, life was good. He thanked God every morning when he woke up, every single morning without fail. Then, one season, everything broke. A dark storm hit the forest in the night. When the bird woke up, his nest was gone, fallen to the ground in pieces. His tree was cracked and leaning sideways. He built a new nest. The storm came again, knocked it down again. The river near his tree dried up. The food disappeared. The ground became hard and empty. And then, the thing that broke him completely, his closest friend, stopped coming. One morning, he was there. The next morning, he was gone. No reason, no goodbye, just gone. The bird sat alone on his broken, cracked tree and looked up at the sky. And for the first time in his life, he did not say thank you. He said something else instead. I prayed every day. I was good. I never hurt anyone. I worked hard every morning before the sun even rose. So why me? Why my nest? Why my food? Why did you take my friend and leave me here alone with nothing? Other birds have full nest and warm trees. I have nothing. Is this what fates give me? Empty branches and cold mornings? If you are listening, why are you doing this to me? The sky said nothing back. Let me ask you something. Have you ever asked God this question? Have you ever sat in your darkest moment and felt completely alone? Like nothing was listening? Comment below, yes, or I am asking right now. The bird stopped praying. He stopped looking at the sky. He stopped believing anything was listening. He sat in his bitterness every morning, cold, empty, angry. Days passed, then weeks. His body became so weak. His wings became heavy. He stopped flying far, stopped looking for food properly, stopped doing anything except sitting on his broken tree and feeling the weight of everything he had lost. He was so focused on what was taken, he stopped seeing what was still there. His wings still worked, his eyes still saw, his heart still beat every morning. But bitterness is a strange thing. It makes you blind to everything except the pain. Then one morning, at his lowest point, a memory came to him. His mother's voice, soft and certain. Every storm ends, and everything the storm takes, God replaced with something you could never have found yourself. He sat with those words for a long time. He did not fully believe them, but he had nothing left to lose. So he did something he had not done in weeks. He opened his wings and he flew. Not because he felt strong, not because he felt sure, just because staying on that broken tree one more day felt worse than trusting the unknown. The wind took him. He did not fight it. He just let it carry him in whatever direction it chose. He flew for a long time, then he saw it, a valley he had never seen before, tucked between two mountains, completely hidden from where he used to live. Warm air rising from the ground, trees full of food, a clean river running through the middle of everything. Birds singing from every branch. He landed slowly. He looked around, stood completely still. This place had always been there. He never would have found it from his old tree. He needed the storm to lose his nest. He needed the river to dry up. He needed his friend to leave. He needed every single hard thing to happen, so he would have no reason to stay where he was. God was not punishing him. God was moving him. The whole time he was sitting on that broken tree and blaming the sky. The sky was preparing this valley for him. He looked up slowly and said two words, "Thank you." Maybe you are sitting on a broken tree right now. Maybe you have lost something that meant everything to you. Maybe you are asking the same questions this bird asked. Why me? What did I do wrong? Why is this happening? Here is what I want you to remember. God does not take things to hurt you. He takes things to move you. Your broken nest is not the end of your story. It is the beginning of the journey to your valley. Trust the wind, even when you cannot see where it is taking you. Subscribe to Tales with English. A new story is waiting for you every week.